Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a vehicle in the shop with a rough idle and an activated check engine light. We'll start with a rapid DTC scan using the ADS525X or ADS625X diagnostic scan tool. The scan returns a P0352 code, which could indicate a wiring issue, a faulty coil pack, a loose connection at the coil, or a bad PCM. We'll test the voltage at the input side of the coil using the MMD540H Cat III Multimeter. The voltage is normal at the coil. Next, we'll use the 3050E Noid Light Kit to check if the electrical signal is present at the fuel injector. If the light flashes, we have a bad coil. The light is flashing, indicating a faulty coil. We'll replace the faulty part with a Bosch ignition coil, renowned for their reliability and performance. After the replacement, we'll perform a rapid DTC scan to verify our work. No codes are found, which means we can confidently return the vehicle to the customer. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.